Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be taking you through a hot air balloon safari in the Serengeti. So there are some vlog clips mixed in here with some voiceovers, and the tour company that I used is linked in the description. This is the time now, so we have to get ready. We have to be at the front by 4 a.m. So yay! Our hotel had some small bites and they also provided coffee and tea before we left.
Okay. Ready to go?
Ready to go? Oh. Didn't want to add more, but the driver was ready to go. So this is the drive at 4 a.m. It's really dark. And then upon arrival to the base, there are some more small treats, coffee, tea. I opted for hot chocolate. And then it is dark because they do want you out right as the sun is coming up, because it is a sunset safari. And this is my sister, excited, ready to go. And we got suited up, so there is a harness that you put on, and this is pictures with the sun coming up. And this is the actual basket, so getting in is really interesting. They do lay the basket down like flat on its side, and then you actually have to climb in and lay down on your back. And then once the balloon is filled up with the hot air, it will eventually stand upright and then it'll take off. So here they're using very, very strong fans to fill the balloon with the air, and once it's ready it'll take off. And I will show this process from the actual inside of the basket. So this is when we're about ready to go. And this is the process from the inside for takeoff. And this is after everything's been filled. We were already in position at this point, and you can see that this is the hot part of the hot air balloon. And I will just leave it here for you to watch the rest as we take off. One thing I will say is that you'll notice that we're all dressed really warmly, and that is because we went in August, and that time of year in the night and really early in the mornings it is cold. And by cold, I'd say it's about 16 degrees Celsius. It did get to about 12 one night. So in the mornings and at night it is a little chilly, but during the day you're free to wear your shorts and your t-shirts.
A balloon flight person 2.5 years.
What is your problem? Huh?
We can't, animals, we can't. Sleepy. Yeah. You can now. It's okay. Yeah. You can keep your bags down, no problem. You can keep your bags down, absolutely. This is all your compartment, so you can feel free.
Oh, okay.
slow, very nice. The last flight, woo! It was quick, 27 knots.
Yeah.
27 knots. Today I think it's 4 knots. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Nice camera, by the way. I like your camera. They were very happy with the experiment, yeah. After that, they went and told, they had a nice feast dinner time later on. They went and told the king the story. The king gave Marquez de Irlandes and Pilate de Rosia a lot of money and a bottle of champagne. With that money, they constructed a proper hot air balloon with wicker bamboo, burners and envelope. Then they flew for 25 kilometers. But
And here's a picture from our toast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.